Most crypto investors blow up their portfolios trying to time the market. There's a simpler way that turned $26,000 into $195,000 over 5 years. No trading, no timing, no stress. Let me show you how it works. Welcome to the Rational Crypto, where we cut through the hype and focus on what actually works. Long-term thinking, disciplined investing, and data-driven decisions. No gambling, no leverage, no get-rich-quick schemes, just rational strategies for building real cryptocurrency wealth. Let's dive in. Here's the problem with crypto investing. Everyone thinks they need to buy low and sell high. Sounds simple, but ask yourself, how do you know when Bitcoin is actually low? $50,000, $40,000, $30,000, and when is it high? $80,000, $100,000, $150,000. Nobody knows, not you, not me, not the analysts on TV. The result? People freeze during dips, missing the opportunity, or they FOMO, buy near tops, and guarantee the loss. Both are driven by emotion, not strategy. There's a better approach that doesn't require predicting anything: dollar cost averaging. In this video, we explain what DCA actually is. It's simpler than you think. Why it works, both mathematically and psychologically. Real examples with real numbers. The 3 biggest mistakes that destroy DCA results, and how to set yours up today. This is the foundation of rational crypto investing. Let's break it down. Dollar cost averaging consists of investing a fixed amount at regular intervals, regardless of price. That's it. Instead of asking, is Bitcoin at a good price right now, which nobody can answer, you instead ask, when is my next DCA day? This is answerable and actionable. Here's how it plays out. You decide to DCA $100 into Bitcoin every Monday. Week 1. Bitcoin is at $65,000. Your $100 buys 0.00154 BTC. Week 2. Bitcoin drops to $60,000. Your $100 buys 0.00167 BTC. Week 3. Bitcoin rallies to $70,000. Your $100 buys 0.00143 Bitcoin. Week 4. Bitcoin crashes to $55,000. Your $100 buys 0.00182 Bitcoin. After 4 weeks, you have $400 invested, 0.00646 Bitcoin accumulated, and your average cost is about $61,900 per Bitcoin, even though price ranged from $55,000 all the way to $70,000. You didn't predict anything, you didn't stress, you just showed up consistently and the math worked in your favor. High prices, you buy less Bitcoin. Low prices, you buy more Bitcoin. Volatility smooths out automatically. DCA works for 2 reasons: mathematics and psychology. The math first. DCA gives you a better average cost than random lump sum investing. Imagine Bitcoin's price over 10 weeks fluctuates like this: $60,000, $55,000, $70,000, $65,000, $50,000, $55,000, $65,000, $75,000, $70,000, $65,000, lump sum at a random point. You might catch $75,000, a terrible entry, or $50,000, a great one, pure luck. DCA $100 weekly for those same 10 weeks. You will buy across the entire range. Your average cost ends up around $63,000, better than most random entries and without the luck required. Now the psychology. This is where DCA's real power lives. Bitcoin drops 20% in a week. Most people panic sell or freeze. The DCA investor buys like every week. No decision, no stress. Bitcoin pumps 30% in a month. Most people FOMO buy near the top. The DCA investor buys like every week. Hacks, same amount, same discipline. Psychologists call this decision fatigue. The more decisions you make, the worse they get. DCA eliminates 90% of investing decisions. You're not asking, Should I buy today? You're just buying. Period. Here's the proof. 92% of active traders fail to beat simple buy and hold, people spending hours analyzing charts, losing to people who just hold. DCA takes it further. You systematically buy more when prices are low. It's like having a disciplined, emotionless system that buys more whenever things go on sale. Quick pause. If this is clicking and you want more rational crypto strategies, subscribe and hit the bell. We break down what actually works, not what sounds exciting. Now, let's address the biggest mistakes. DCA is simple, but people still manage to undermine it. 3 costly mistakes. Mistake number 1, stopping during dips. Bitcoin drops 30%. People suddenly pause their DCA, waiting for the bottom. That just destroyed the entire strategy. The whole point of DCA is buying more when prices are low. Stopping during dips is the exact opposite. Remember that fear-based DCA, returning over 1,100%, it worked precisely by buying more during fear. Stop when fear hits, and you abandon the strategy at its most valuable moment. The rule is, never stop, especially during fear. Now, if you want to go further than this, there is a more deliberate version of this principle that goes beyond just staying consistent. It involves understanding which phase of the market cycle you're in and adjusting accordingly. That is a more advanced layer we will build on in future videos. For now, master this foundation first. Mistake number 2, changing amounts based on feelings. Some investors DCA $100 when confident, $50 when nervous, $200 when excited. That is not DCA. That is emotional trading with extra steps. The amount must be fixed, $100 every week, $500 every month. Whatever you choose, stick to it. No exceptions. Changing based on how you feel reintroduces the exact emotion DCA is designed to remove. Mistake number 3, choosing unsustainable amounts. People commit to $500 weekly on $3,000 monthly income. 2 months later, they can't sustain it. Game over. Your DCA must be sustainable for at least 12 months, ideally 2 to 4 years, to capture full market cycles. Use the 5 to 20% rule. Allocate 5 to 20% of investable income to crypto DCA. Earn $5,000 monthly and can save $1,000 of it. That's $50 to $200 for your DCA. Sustainability beats aggression every time. Let's make this practical. 5 steps to set up your DCA today. Step 1, calculate your amount. Take your monthly investable income and multiply it by 5 to 20%. Example, $4,000 monthly times 10% equals $400 for crypto. Divide by frequency. Weekly means $100 per week. Step 2, choose your crypto. If you're a beginner, start with Bitcoin only. Most established, longest track record, least volatile of the major assets. Once comfortable, consider splitting to Bitcoin 70% and Ethereum 30%. But for your first DCA, stick to Bitcoin only. Keep it simple. Step 3, pick your platform. 3 solid options. Coinbase, easiest interface, auto buy built in. Kraken, lower fees, excellent security track record. Binance, most features, global access. All 3 support recurring automated purchases. Step 4, automate everything. Set up a recurring purchase, your calculated amount, weekly or bi-weekly frequency, Bitcoin as the asset. Let the exchange pull automatically from your bank. Remove yourself from the equation. Step 5, track, don't touch. Use a portfolio tracker. CoinTracker or Coinly work well. Watch your accumulation grow, but do not trade. DCA is long-term, minimum 12 months, ideally 2 to 4 years to capture full market cycles. Done. That is rational, systematic crypto investing. If this gave you a clear foundation for starting your DCA, hit the like button. It helps other investors find this content. Let's land this. Fixed amounts at regular intervals, no market timing required. DCA works mathematically by improving your average cost over time. It works psychologically by removing the decisions that emotion destroys. 3 rules to protect your strategy. Never stop during dips, keep amounts consistent, and choose a commitment you can sustain for years, not weeks. Let us revisit that $100 weekly example. It amounted to $26,000, deployed over 5 years, that was turned into approximately $195,000, not by being the smartest in the room, by showing up consistently. Now, before we close, I want to leave you with one idea. What you've learned today is the foundation, and it is genuinely powerful. But the strategy this channel is built on doesn't stop here. The market has seasons. And a rational investor doesn't deploy capital the same way in every season. There is a version of what you've just learned that works with those seasons instead of ignoring them. Not timing the market, not gambling, a systematic, rules-based approach that uses the cycle to work harder with the same discipline you've just built. That is where this channel is taking you. Stay with it. There is so much more to explore here to help you build crypto wealth rationally. Hit that next video and keep the momentum going. Your future self will thank you. If this added value to your crypto strategy, hit that like button. It helps more people find rational crypto education. Subscribe for regular deep dives on DCA, psychology, and cycle-aware investing. Drop your biggest crypto question in the comments below. Until next time, stay rational.